Hi everyone, welcome to Creative Pouring by Cheryl. I'm Cheryl. Today I'm going to use my Nicpro. I've got this one. Let's see if you can. I can't read the letters because I don't have my glasses on, but it's purplish and greenish and reddish. I've got these ear cuffs from BeebeeCraft, and I'm going to go ahead and try them out, see what we can do. I've got my resin mixed up, my gentian, and I'm going to go ahead and give this some real pretty painting, hopefully. I'm just going to open all three, even though I'm very messy. And I'm going to get my switch and sponge out. All you have to do is do that between them. Okay, let's get started on this pretty thing. I'm going to do I'll go ahead and fast forward this part for you and put some music on so you can enjoy it. Got that done. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and put black in my resin. I'm using my DIY black pigment. Sorry, DIY black pigment. I just need a little bit in there, not a lot. Because I don't want to make it super opaque. I just want to make it dark enough to be able to have those colors pop. Thank you, BeebeeCraft, for sending me these molds and items that you sent me. I really appreciate it. Okay. Now, when you pour, you got to pour it very carefully because these are little spots. A lot of spots in here that could actually leave bubbles. Oops. Woo. Drag it down here. Put way too much right there. Pulling it up to the corners so the resin will flow. because resin does not like to go where it's not been before, usually. Plus on the bottom here, there's those layers or ledges. I can't even talk right now. Underneath here it has those ridges. That's it. Has the ridges, so it's hard to get in there. It's hard to flow. You don't want to scrape the bottom of the mold because you've got all that mica powder on there, and anywhere you scrape it, you're going to take the chance of taking that mica powder off of it. Okay. Dome it a tiny bit so I don't have to use my deburring tool on it. Because if I don't dome it, then it could possibly cut you when you wear them. I'm not into these cuffs, but I thought they were really cool. I had some friends that wore them. Friends that I work with and stuff, they've wore that type of stuff. There we go. All right, I'm going to spray it with isopropyl alcohol, 91%. Never use anything lower than 91%. And I will be back when this is all ready to demold. Hi everybody, welcome back. It's demolding day. I had extra, so I put a little bit of glitter in this, just a little bit of holographic glitter in this just to see what it would look like. Oh my lord, that's so pretty. Look at that. That's another mold I got from BeebeeCraft. Oh wow, that turned out amazing. Okay, now for the main event. I wonder how these are going to look. I'm going to demold both of them before I show you. I'm not even going to look. Clean up a little bit there. All right. Let's see. Ready? Oh, those are adorable. Well, if I don't keep dropping them. Those are adorable. Look at that. All right, I get some pictures and I get some pictures for the final results. And thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Thanks so much for watching. And don't forget to comment. Tell me if you like these or if you would wear these. They're just supposed to go around your ear. They're called ear cuffs. But yes, please like, subscribe, hit that thumbs up channel. It really helps. And thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.